What is up, you guys, and welcome back to Joel's Kitchen. Today is Taco Tuesday, and boy, do I have a treat for you. We are going to make Chipotle's queso, but better. Yes, better. But before we do that, you already know what we got to do. We got to roll that intro, please. Drum roll. Brrr. So rule number one about making a great queso, you have to have the key ingredients. First key ingredients is going to be minced garlic. The second key ingredients is going to be diced tomatoes, or tea dice, however you want to call it. The third great key ingredient will be a yellow onion, minced. You got to chop it down. You can't have big chunks in it. The fourth ingredient is it has to be Poblano peppers for the spice. You can't forget about the Serano peppers. That's another spice. That's a key ingredient. If you forget that, you might as well forget making queso if you're at the house. Argo cornstarch. You have to have cornstarch to thicken up your queso. If not, you're just gonna have a soupy, cheesy queso, and it's not gonna be queso. You're gonna need a tablespoon of chipotle powder. And you're gonna need to add this water to the cornstarch to thicken up your cheese sauce. Heavy cream, you're gonna need 1 cup of heavy cream. You're gonna need 2 cups of whole milk. You're gonna need 16 ounces of white cheddar cheese shredded. You're gonna need 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese shredded. Over medium-high heat, you wanna add the milk first. Once you have that milk in there, then you wanna turn around and add the heavy cream to it. So once you add the heavy cream to it, you wanna get your water and cornstarch and mix that together. Get your fork and whisk it up. And the rule about keeping a good sauce is to keep it consistent with your whisk. So you just keep whisking. Then you want to add your first bit of cheese to it. Not all of it, just a tad bit, to get it a little worked down, because you are dealing with hot liquids right now almost. So once that is going, you want to add a little bit more cheese bit by bit until it starts to thicken up a tad bit, and you will know when it's thick. Just follow your heart and mind. So once you get all that work in, you can put the last bit of your cheese in, and it should almost be ready to rock and roll now. So once all that cheese is melted, you just want to keep stirring for about another 5-6 minutes. Okay, just keep on whipping it and keep on whipping it. Keep on whipping it. Do not stop whipping it. Now you want to add your cornstarch mix to it to thicken it up. You want to add that salt, the chipotle pepper. You should start to get this brown looking color, but you don't want it too bright. You still kind of want it white, because we are talking about white queso here. Then you add all of your other ingredients to it. Whip that for about another 5-6 minutes, and you're gonna have you some good queso there working. Now it's the plating time, what I'm talking about, baby. It's time to eat. So when you make this recipe, it should be enough to feed about 5 people. I mean, it's a party batch, so I mean, game day, you want to make some, hey, go ahead for it. And there you have it, a copycat version of Chipotle's white queso, but a whole lot better.